Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a relaxing weekend clean with me. So I like to take Fridays to just kind of have a relaxing, clean the whole house sort of day, just to set myself up for like a nice relaxing weekend. Obviously I do a whole weekly reset on Sunday, but this just makes that a lot easier when we get to Sunday. So first things first, I started in my bedroom. It wasn't as bad as some of the other areas, and I do want to apologize because my camera was having a little moment in this clip where it couldn't figure out where it needed to focus. This is the only clip that happened in, and it was so weird, but you know, cameras sometimes can be a pain. But anyway, I started in my bedroom because it was not quite as bad as other areas, and I find that whenever I'm cleaning, I want to like make sure that I'm cleaning and I'm not feeling overwhelmed. So in order to not get overwhelmed, I pick a space that's not so bad that I could do in like 5 to 10 minutes, and I work on that. And then that way, when I cross that off my list, I feel like I've accomplished something, and I feel like I can go on to the next room, even if it's a little crazier than like this room, you know, and I just feel better about it. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of picking up my bedroom, and I'm like wiping down the surfaces and making my bed and then vacuuming. So you may notice there's a lot of plastic on our dresser, and that is because we had to put plastic over our windows. We have something's going on with our house. We're not sure if it's like something's leaking or if our air conditioning just isn't working properly. So we're trying to test out a few different things. I think that one of the windows in our bedroom is leaking because the bedroom is the hottest room in the house, and it doesn't seem to matter what you have the thermostat set on. For some reason, during the day, it gets like to 75 in the house, which is really, really hot for me. I know some people like it that way, but for me, that's really hot. And so we're trying to figure that out. So we had just put plastic all over our windows, and so that's why we had plastic, like the leftover plastic on our dresser. So I picked that up and I just put that in our little like cleaning / like tool closet, I guess, where we keep like all of our stuff to like work on our house or clean it or whatever. And we can use that again because there was like a third sheet of plastic. So like I said, we covered our 2 bedroom windows, and that actually seemed to help a lot. So I'm thinking that it is one of those windows, because seriously, you guys, I was actually able to sleep in our room without like getting too hot that night. So that was really, really nice, because I struggle with sleep anyway, but especially when it's too hot, it's just, I don't like it. So I'm really happy that that seems to be working. Obviously, we're going to have to fix that, which is not fun, but at least we figured out part of the problem anyway. That seems to have helped a lot. There's still a little bit of weird stuff going on, but that's just part of owning a house and having to fix stuff like that. So it's well worth it though. I will say I have loved living in this house and not living the apartment life. I definitely don't miss that. So anyway, I am just vacuuming up the floor. I know I've talked about this before, but I absolutely love our LG vacuum that I'm vacuuming in this video with. I just love it. I love how you don't have to have a cord and you can just quickly vacuum stuff up. It's so nice. We've had it for about a year now because we got it when we moved into this house, and I'm still absolutely obsessed with it. Like, I just love it so much. So anyway, there's my little thing about that. I think I have it linked in my Amazon shop if you guys are interested in it. I highly recommend it. I'm sure other like stick vacuums are probably just as great, but this is just the one that I went with, and I like that it has an extra battery, so it's always charged, and basically I can do the entire house without without having to charge it. Like if it's fully charged, I can do the whole house. So I like that also, because I don't feel like I'm using it for 10 minutes and then it dies. So next up, I went to my kitchen. The kitchen is always like the worst part of the house, I feel like, because we don't have really deep sinks. So if you have like 2 dishes in there, it looks like way dirtier than it would if you had like a deeper sink, I don't know. Definitely want to do a whole kitchen remodel. This is definitely not my dream kitchen. So we're going to fix that up, but it's, taking time. We've got to save up. I want to do it right. When I first moved here, I was like, oh, like, we'll just do like these cheap little things to make it look nice. But then the longer that we've been here, just the more that I've looked at it, I want to do it right one time. Like I just want to, paint the cabinets, change out the flooring, change out the appliances, change out the sink, all of that just in one go. So yeah, just have to learn how to be patient and love the kitchen for what it is right now. But anyway, I feel like it's a very small kitchen, and so it doesn't take much for it to just feel out of control. And like literally, it like we could have dinner, and if the dinner dishes are still there, it just, I don't know, it just like feels not clean most of the time. Like I definitely clean my kitchen, don't worry, but I'm just saying it doesn't take much. It's like you have one meal and the kitchen is just wrecked. So anyway, I had to get that together. I had lots of dishes to unload out of the dishwasher and reload. And then obviously I'm cleaning my sink. I absolutely hate stainless steel sinks. Like I feel like no matter how much you scrub it, no matter how much you wipe it down, it still just never looks clean to me. And I don't know if it's because this is like older and the people before us maybe didn't take care of it as well, or I don't know. I just don't like it. It feels like it's always gross to me. And the sink is just one of those things that just, it always feels gross. No matter how much I clean it, no matter what I use to clean it, it just feels gross. So if you guys have any tips for making your sink not feel so disgusting, let me know in the comments, because seriously, it's a struggle with the sink and I. So if you guys follow along in my vlogs and my behind the scenes of my business, you would know that I take my listing photos for my stickers in the kitchen, like at our dining room table. So I was picking up that mess because the day before I had been doing a lot of photos for my website and just getting stuff ready for like a new release. Actually, the new releases went up on the day that I filmed this video. So yeah, but anyway, I had to take everything down, move the lights, but I really like taking them against this table because I think it's just a really pretty wood, and I like the way that looks as the backdrop for my stickers. So it is kind of a pain because I feel like I have to move the lights every time I need to take photos, but I will say I'm so much happier with real photos versus digital. So if you guys shop stickers, let me know, do you prefer digital or do you prefer real photos? Because I would love to know. So lately I've been kind of obsessed with the Caldrea sea salt neroli spray, which is what I'm using in this video for the kitchen counters. And I used this a long time ago. By the way, I have like a ton of cleaning products, so a lot of times you may not see something for a while. It doesn't mean that I don't like it. It just means I have so many products to go through and I just kind of get stuck on some of the scents. So like right now, I've been using this like crazy because I've just been obsessed with the scent, but then like in a month I could be onto something else. So just so you know, if you see me clean with something, obviously if I say I like it, but if you don't see me use it for a while, it may just be that I've like found something else that like I'm obsessed with right then. But one of these days I'll have to show you my whole cleaning closet because it's kind of ridiculous and I really need to stop buying so many cleaning products. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a cleaning closet tour, or like I actually need to organize it. So if you guys want to see like an organized cleaning closet / tour, let me know in the comments below. So now I'm getting ready to mop, and I like to just take all the chairs out of the kitchen when I do this because it's a lot easier to mop around the table and not deal with the chairs, you know? So I'm vacuuming and then I'm gonna mop because this floor, the dining room area is not so bad, but like in the actual kitchen area where I'm cooking gets so gross because, you know, just oils like splash everywhere, and I'm kind of a messy cook anyway, so like, yeah, it's kind of gross. But I am vacuuming this up, and this LG that I'm using, it has 2 different heads. So there's one head for like the carpet, and then there's another head for like hardwood floors and stuff like that. And I really like that because it can kind of just work with whatever flooring that you have. And that's nice because we have carpet and we have, I guess it's not really hardwood. It's like the laminate, like wood look, but it's still not carpet, obviously. So I really like that there's different heads that can go on the vacuum and make it work for whatever space you're in. So now I'm mopping, and I use the I think it's the Cedar mop. And I do like it, but it is kind of a pain. I actually bought it's not a Swiffer, it's, what is the name of that brand? It's the Infuse brand. They're like little mop. And I don't know if I just got one that was messed up, but like it leaked all over the place. So I don't know if I can recommend it or not. I'm going to try to like fix it. I was going to take it back, but apparently James threw away the receipt. So not a big deal. It wasn't that expensive, but it's just more annoying that like I wanted to have a mop that didn't, like, it was just easy and I could just spot, you know, clean here and there, but that didn't work out. All right, so the final step in this clean with me is to clean my bathroom. This is another area that I just feel like it always gets cluttered. Like we cannot seem to keep it clean. And I hope I'm not alone in that. Let me know, like, what area of your house do you just feel like doesn't matter how much you clean it, it always just feels out of sorts? Because that is the bathroom. The bathroom and then the kitchen. I think the kitchen more so because it's smaller, but the bathroom, it doesn't seem to matter what size bathroom we have. It just always feels, I don't know. It's like you get ready in the morning and then you're in a hurry. And then when you come home, you just don't like clean up the sink. I don't know. Let me know that I'm not alone on that, because I just feel like it doesn't matter how often we clean. It's a pain. So anyway, also this bathroom is really, really hard to film in. So I did not show cleaning the bathtub or the toilet, because it's really hard to fit a camera in here. Like our bathroom's kind of weird and it's very narrow, and it's hard to like fit a tripod, but then trying to walk around the tripod, it's just not the best bathroom for filming in. But I mean, you don't really film in bathrooms, like, you know, it's just only if you're doing cleaning videos, but obviously you're not filming in the bathroom. Well, I don't know your life, but hopefully people are only filming when they clean. So anyway, that is going to wrap up this clean with me video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning content. I have a ton of fall decorating, fall cleaning videos, so definitely subscribe if you are excited for that. But that is it for today's clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.